Hey everybody, Kai here with Sculptcraft Studio. Have another quick unboxing for you. This one coming to us from Minnesota. This looks like it's going to be a styrofoam shipper, which is awesome. That's how we send ours as well. Styrofoam shipper and insulation. Okay, they use styrofoam slats. Cool, cool. It's not exactly how we ship ours. Ours are pre-made boxes, but it's really the same idea. Go ahead and cut this bag because we rebag all of our stuff most of the time. It's so nice when we get stuff from people that have more experience with shipping, but that's also why we show these unboxings, is so for those who don't have as much experience with it, can learn along the way. I guess we're just going to cut the bag. I kind of hate cutting these bags. They're actually in good shape. We'll reuse them as little trash bags or something. Alright. So first off, I don't know if you guys can hear that. These are still mostly, with the exception of that one, these are still frozen. These are thawed but cold. And these are still, I mean, there's slush on that, but most of it is, I'm going to call that frozen. So, awesome. That was Minnesota through UPS, I believe, today. Today's Wednesday. These would have went out on Monday. So yeah, looking good. We'll end up checking these over to see how the hair is. Just do a quick. See, there's no hair rubbing off of that. These are not slipped. A little bit of sparse hair, but these are not, and they don't smell rotted, so much better than some of our other shipments. Look at that. Not even a single hair. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Who is this from? I just looked at it and it was upside down. I missed it. Mike. Hey Mike, thanks if you're watching this. Awesome packing job. Looking forward to doing more business with you. But that's it for this unboxing, everybody. Catch you next time.